Hello everyone, today I will tell you how you can download payment statements in your Android or iPhone mobile. So first of all, you can also download Tide app from Play Store. If you didn't find it there, you can also go on their website by searching on Google Tide Bank, and its official website will come on the. So first of all, go and download the app from Google Play Store or from their official website. After downloading, you have to follow some crucial steps to log in your account. After you log in, you will see an interface like this, and it is the basic interface of your account. Go click on your to download statement. Click on your account on the top of it, and you will see and select the type of form you want to download it in. So click on, for example, I select standard, and after that I click on export, and then I will come here and categorize it in, and then click on download, and it will be downloaded in my email account. Thanks for watching.